Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wendy, and this is Wendy with the eye. This is a very quick unboxing. You saw that name. Yes, you saw it. Prada me. Yes, I am proud of me, so I Prada me. I don't think that's how you say it, but whatever. Anyways, so check it out, y'all. If you know, you know. I had a designer baseball cap on my wish list for this year, and I got her. I still have another one on my wish list, but I'm loving this cap. Tell me what you think. Bye.